Hi, this is Linda, and we are in blogging challenge number 12. So, the topic for today is share something that made you help someone out of their comfort zone. So, my story is about, my natural ability of giving to people because I believe that when you give to people, you also get blessed in return. I mean, it's a principle. It's principle in life. When you give help someone, you also get help and get blessed in the future later on. So my story is about a particular family friend. She's like an auntie to me, and she had her own personal issues, and she started to ask, me for money. And because I'm working and knowing the principle of giving, I actually was just giving what I could give to her. But it became a habit for her to keep asking me for money, even if it took a week or 2 weeks or a month later. She would still come back to me asking me that she needed help, right? So I was helping her in that. But then I realized that I wasn't really helping her. Giving her the money was not actually helping her because it was making her, being in that box of not trying to help herself. So out of my own comfort zone, I made a stop to it. I told her that I couldn't help her anymore, and it wasn't a good thing to say that to people, but then I had to make a stand because then if I won't make a stand out of my own comfort zone, then she will not, do something for herself. Anyways, when months went by, I started to not reply to her text messages, ignored her call, and some people watching this can say, that was really rude of me, but here's the thing. When you want to change people's mindset, you have to get out of the comfort zone. There are times in life where you really have to say no, otherwise people will just take it for granted. And when I did that, it made her realize that, she had her own children that she can also, rely on. And today, she doesn't have any grudges against me. She still texts me. She sends me Bible text messages. She also checks on me, says hello, and she's now in the state of mind in finding ways to earn income. So yeah, that was what I did to actually make her get out of where she was before to where she is now. So now she's looking for work and she's also looking for ways to earn income. So that is my story to share with you, and I hope you got something out of it.